Hello to everyone and welcome to CMX Market Step by Step. Today we are going to talk about making a deposit. After passing the verification process and opening an account, you'll be able to make a deposit. Remember, you can open few real accounts in your personal cabinet and each of them will have its own credentials, deposit and type. So, the deposit can be done separately for each of your real trading account, or you can transfer your funds from one to another. Let's move forward to the deposit itself. On the left-hand side of the main menu, click Funds, then Deposit Funds. In the Deposit Funds page, on the first tab, Initial Information, you need to choose. The payment method is suitable for you from the drop-down menu, and the target account to which you want to add funds. Then press Continue button. On the Transfer Details tab, you need to set the deposit amount and some additional information if required. Then press Continue button. The final step will be confirmation, on which you will need to verify all inputted info and press Continue button. After that, depends on the selected payment method, either the system will redirect you to the payment processor page or you will receive an email with further instructions. Options to transfer funds from one real account to another is available on the Transfer Funds page. To do that, you will need to follow 3 simple steps. Select source and target accounts, setting the transfer amount and typing the transfer command, confirming our transfer by clicking the Continue button. After our specialist will confirm that particular transfer, the money will be transferred from the source account to the target. All the transactions history you will be able to view on the transactions history page. So, see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and put your likes.